Daphne, do you want to go out by the pool? Oh man, somebody found her pinky that she chucked out. Come here, Style Fashion Plate. You look marvelous, darling. Simply marvelous. Hello. If we go out by the pool, you can't bring the binky. I'm sorry. Thank you. Do you want to wear them again? Oh. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sweetheart. Now where are you going? To get your little muffin? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, just kidding. She's teasing. May I have the muffin? All right, Bathing Beauty. I think it's time to go out by the pool. I'll take that. Ooh, thank you. Nah, let's not go in there. Okay. Why don't you put the muffin in the lunch bag? That would make perfect sense. Hey, honey, you want to go out by the pool? If it's warm enough, we can go swimming. Can you say pool? Toot, toot, toot. What's that? Monkey? What's the monkey say? Says ooh 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 ah ah ah. Can you do that? Ooh 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 ah ah ah. Do you know what a duck says? Quack quack. Zipper? Zipper? Alright, if we play too long, we're going to miss our opportunity to go out by the pool. Would you like your sunglasses again, Little Miss Cool? There you go, let's see you. Look this way. Look this way. Yes, fabulous, darling. Eat your heart out, Hollywood. There you go. Oh, you had the right idea. Close, you'll get it. Just watch your eyes. You want me to do it again? You do it again? Nice, darling. You look so cute. Look this way. Yeah, that's a sweet little face. I'll end on that.